and usually the duration of the fever is around 4 to 5 days.
Okay.
But the
So,
danger there is once the fever will start to resolve, because that's the time that the platelet will start to go
to go.
down.
So, in other words, if the baby, now we're talking about the children's cases because you're a pediatric hematologist. Uh, Once your child is sick with a high fever, down with a high fever, you have to just go consult a doctor right away after a day. Because
Yes,
usually we say, oh, never mind, we'll just give him something and then it's okay.
yes.
Because if it goes down and it goes up again, that's dangerous. Huh? That's already an indicative that it might be dengue.
I
Any
agree.
other physical symptom?
For those who are already in the third day or fourth day, some patients will start to have bleeding, like epistaxis or nose bleeding. But
Ah,
long time ago, these dengue cases, they will have to start to have bleeding only on the fourth or fifth day.
uh-huh.
But nowadays, the pattern of dengue no longer follows what's in the book. There
Uh-huh.
are some the severe type. They will start to have epistaxis on the third day, or sometimes
Wow.
PTK. But most of the time,
What is PTK? The yeah, tuldok, no?
yes,
Okay, okay. So that's really yeah. I've heard about that. That you look
it's
at the
actually
skin.
bleeding under the skin.
Uh-huh.
But most of
Subdermal.
the cases are bleeding from the gums and bleeding from the nose.
Yeah, that's the most clear.
Common,
Yeah,
yes,
that's the most clear. You see right away, hey, something's wrong with the baby because, or
yes,
with the child because nosebleed or
yes.
bleeding of the gum. But that's towards third day.
Usually fourth or
Or,
fifth, but there are
okay.
some patients who will manifest it earlier.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So you would suggest, Doctora, that after the second day, if the fever will not go down per medication, then we might as well go see a doctor right away.
Yes, but right now, actually, we have already this rapid diagnostic test for dengue.
Uh-huh.
Now, we will be able to diagnose on the first day. This is a new test. Actually, this is what we call the dengue NS1 antigen determination.
Uh-huh.
Uh, uh, During my pre-medical days, the WHO sponsored my research on this rapid diagnostic test, but that was how
Oh,
many
so
years ago?
you did a
Yeah,
study, huh?
it was around, if I'm not mistaken, 25 years ago.
As far
But
away as
it's only
that.
now that we have this test with
Yes,
us.
yes.
For me personally, it's very helpful because by the time I get the result, if it's negative, the mother will feel so
Yes,
secure
yes,
already and will have
and
peace
it's
of
the
mind that
first
it's not
day.
dengue.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
on
the
the
first
first day.
day. I
And
mean,
true enough, I had several cases. It turns out to be negative, and true enough, it was not dengue. And there are some cases that it might turn up positive, so we will be able to admit the child right
right away.
away and really start managing the patient as a case of dengue.
Yeah, and also the concern of people near the patient, like if the baby is down with dengue, it could be that the mosquito is
That's right.
around and
Especially in the first 3 days, if the mosquito will bite that patient with dengue and then will bite other children around, the dengue might be spread to the
yeah,
other children. No? And one thing though, I want to emphasize here is we have to be very keen on the prevention side of it. uh, we have to be very like try to check how to prevent the disease rather than on trying to take note how to be able to diagnose the
yes,
disease,
yes.
because once you have it, it's really difficult to manage. We could not really say who's going to bleed or who's not going to bleed, so we manage them
So
the same
a
same way.
patient's reaction once bitten, it's either you bleed and then get
You,
into really big trouble,
yes.
or you are not a bleeder and it's
Actually,
okay.
the reaction depends on whether this is the first time that they had dengue or the second time.
Ah,
And most of our patients who had dengue the second time, the parents or the mothers, they were not aware that they had dengue long time ago or a
I
few
see.
years back,
I see.
because sometimes dengue can manifest just like any flu diseases,
Oh,
especially when it's the first time. Sometimes you
that's
wouldn't know that you had dengue
that's
because there
dangerous.
are different. presentations of dengue. There's just the first presentation is just undifferentiated fever, and you're not sure that it was really dengue to start with. You were not aware. But if you get
And,
the
and,
dengue
and,
blood test,
and that kind of dengue, you just have the fever and then it goes away eventually.
yes,
And then there's
just
nothing.
2 to 3 days fever. It's really like flu. You
Oh,
also have joint pain, body malaise. Then
especially
after
if
three
it's,
days, it will go away.
and if it's with children,
That's
you can't,
right.
you
They
can't
thought it's just
tell.
any viral infection.
Oh
And
gosh.
then when they come down now with real dengue presentation, they didn't know that it was the second time.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now we're trying to understand that there are a lot of things that we have to know about dengue. More on this when we come back.